Hello students, good morning. From today we are going to start chapter 10 Diwali with a difference. Now for your second term I have selected some topics students. So first of all I will complete that topics and after that I will teach you remaining topics. For example there was a poem that is I skip the planet where everything goes backwards. ये पोएम आपको सेकेंड टर्म में वर्कशीट के लिए नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं आपको ये पोएम जरूर पढ़ाऊंगी. लेकिन पहले क्या करना होगा, हमें वर्कशीट्स लेने होते हैं, तो इसीलिए तो वर्कशीट के लिए जो जो सिलेबस है पहले वो मैं कंप्लीट करूंगी. लेकिन डोंट वरी, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस पोर्शन डेफिनेटली श्योरली आई विल टीच दिस लेसन दिस चैप्टर टू यू, दिस पोएम टू यू. ओके, so please don't confuse or don't nervous, because after some days again we will learn that remaining part. So chapter 10 Diwali with a difference, that topic we are going to start, and first video I will send on reading. Okay, so let us read that lesson. Are you ready? Okay. Mr. Govil put her shopping list on the dining table in the sitting room and said, "My shopping list is almost complete. New curtains, new clothes, ingredients for the sweets, ghee, masalas, and..." "Ma, why can't we celebrate Diwali differently this year?" Kunal politely interpreted. "Didi and I are tired of the same oily food we have every year," he complained. "Yes, Ma," said Kavita. As she joined her mother at the table, Kunal and I want a different menu this year. You know, some vegetarian, Mexican and Italian dishes, and we could have desserts like a chocolate cake, macaroons, strawberry cup cakes and caramel custard. What do you think? If you both want a change, then why not? I will just have to change my list once more," she said, laughing. Both brother and sister looked happy, and so did Dad. "Ma and Dad, just one more request," stayed Kunal firmly. "What is it?" chorused the family. "No noisy bombs and crackers this year. We must not pollute the environment. You must listen to my friend Aman's poem on this topic. I have invited him," he said. It was Diwali. The house looked clean and beautiful. New curtains, shining brass lamps, potted plants, and incense burning in front of the image of Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh. By the evening, the window sills and the balconies were glittering with the lighted clay diyas. They were placed neatly at the entrance of the house. A colorful rangoli was made at the entrance by Kavita. Marigold garlands and mango leaves were hanging from the main door. Soon the house was filled with the laughter and chatter of all the guests. The first ones to arrive were the school friends and after them was Aman. It was the first Diwali for Ali and Amir. A few close friends like Aparna and Neeraj, Uncle and Auntie Singh, Uncle Harold from Chandigarh and Auntie Kitty along with her husband, Brito from Kolkata and also Arayu. Page number 64. Uncle Singh told us something we did not know, that the foundation stone for the Golden Temple at Amritsar was laid on Diwali day many years ago. Then Kitty Auntie told us that in Bengal, Assam and Odisha, Diwali is celebrated as Kali Puja. Dinner was soon served and everyone enjoyed the food and especially the desserts. What a change from the usual Indian sweets! But one sweet dish that can never be replaced, the gujiyas. Crisp on the outside and filled with dry coconut and dry fruits inside, were especially loved by all. By now, it was time for the fireworks. Everyone went upstairs to the roof and soon the first anar was being lit by the excited children. Sparklers, chakris and rockets which lit the sky with brilliant colors were enjoyed by everyone. It is so wonderful that we are all celebrating Diwali together, said Auntie Kitty. It is so true what our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had said. We come from different states. We have so many different religions, so many languages, but we are all united in the fact that we are all Indians first. Everyone agreed with great pride. Once everyone had come back to the sitting room and was seated, little Aman stood up shyly and recited the poem he had written in class. Okay, now that poem is also here, which has written Aman. That is also part of our topic. The Festival of Lights. The Festival of Lights has come. I bought some fireworks with my mom. There were anars and rockets to be seen, but this year we decided to go green. Crackers produce sound and smoke, and this smoke makes a choke. Bombs and crackers should be thrown into a pool, else our earth will no longer be cool. Okay, so our reading video is completed. In next video, I will explain this lesson. And recently we had celebrated Diwali function, and very beautiful lesson it is. So, and I will send PDF of that last topic. So copy that question and answer in your notebook as well as in your textbook. And please complete your writing work, students, because what we can do, you are at home and we are by online we are teaching, but we have to learn more, students, because what happened when your school will open and you will go in next class, so maybe you will suffer in problem, or maybe you will face some problem. So for that, please keep habit of writing and reading, students. Bye and take care, students, and watch these videos again and again. Not only English and maths, but another subject also you have to watch every day. Okay students, bye dear students.